In today's fast-paced world, time seems to slip through our fingers like sand. The signs of aging, lines on our skin, graying hair and slower steps, are reminders that time waits for no one. For many, accepting the aging process is a difficult pill to swallow. We resist, fighting back with every tool at our disposal. Some of us turn to regular exercise, supplements, and a balanced diet in our quest to maintain youth. Others opt for more drastic measures, surgical interventions, injections, and cutting-edge therapies, all in the name of holding on to the vitality of our younger selves. But what if there was something more? A new frontier in the battle against aging, born from the very fabric of the universe. Enter C60 fullerenes, a tiny yet powerful molecule with a structure as unique as the promise it holds.
What if there was an amazing way to live a fuller life for you and everyone here on planet Earth? This place Buckminster Fuller called Spaceship Earth. He became a world-famous writer, inventor, futurist, poet, humanist, and self-described comprehensivist, possibly best known as the inventor of the geodesic dome. Buckminster Fuller said integrity is the essence of everything successful. Bucky dedicated his later years to speaking to the young world as he sought to discover what it would take to make the world work for 100% of humanity. Of the many predictions he made that came true, one is only recently rising above all others. Bucky predicted the existence of a C60 carbon molecule. In 1979, he shared his vision with a friend, Marshall Thurber, who Bucky referred to as an evolutionary event of our time. At the Brooklyn School of Business in Vermont, while with Bucky, Marshall made a model of the C60 molecule. Bucky stated, although it has not yet been discovered, this molecule has to exist. This is the smallest and strongest carbon molecule in existence, and it will be used in medicine. In 1985, just 2 years after Bucky's death, the C60 molecule was in fact discovered by 3 scientists who had received the Nobel Prize for their achievement. They called the new class of molecule Buckminster fullerene. They nicknamed the C60 molecules Buckyballs in honor of Buckminster Fuller. In 1992, C60 was found in nature. In Shungite, a carbon-rich 250 gigaton, 600-million-year-old mineral deposit in Russia, where Shungite's healing properties were well documented. In the 1700s, Peter the Great's soldiers used Shungite to purify their drinking water. C60's significant medical benefits have now been discovered. C60 has reversed symptoms of ALS in rats, inhibited the replication of the HIV virus, and C60 has destroyed cancer cells. Now C60 is believed to be the most powerful antioxidant in existence and the most effective method known to extend life as free radical oxidation, one of the primary causes of aging. In 2012, researchers made an astounding discovery about C60's positive effect on lifespan. In a toxicity test to learn if a volume of C60 could kill laboratory rats, researchers instead found C60 significantly extended their lives. One control group was given water, a second group was given olive oil, and a third was given C60 and olive oil. After 38 months, the rats given water had died. After 58 months, the rats given olive oil had also died. Only the ones given C60 remained alive. In fact, they lived 90% longer than the others and lived tumor-free. When C60 molecules cluster, their effectiveness is limited. However, when C60 clusters are dissolved, they appear to be hundreds of times more bioactive. And when C60 molecules are dispersed, they appear to be thousands of times more bioactive. This is the genesis of C60 for a fuller life. This is a moment in history that can change everything.
Could this nanomaterial, composed of just 60 carbon atoms, be the key to unlocking a longer, healthier life? Or does it carry hidden dangers that could tip the balance in this age-old fight? Join us as we explore the potential and the peril of C60 fullerenes, a discovery that could change the way we think about aging, forever. In the quest for longevity and youthful vitality, Modern science has continually pushed the boundaries of what we understand about aging. Enter C60 fullerenes, a unique molecule composed of 60 carbon atoms shaped like a soccer ball and heralded as a breakthrough in the fight against aging. But what exactly is C60 and how does it interact with the human body? Discovered in 1985, C60, also known as Buckminster fullerene, has sparked significant interest in both the scientific community and the world of health and wellness. This nanomaterial is known for its extraordinary antioxidant properties, up to 100 times more powerful than vitamin C, making it a potential game changer in the battle against oxidative stress, one of the key drivers of aging. 6. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cell damage and aging. C60's ability to neutralize these harmful molecules suggests it could slow down the aging process, improve skin health, and even enhance cognitive function. But how does this nanomaterial achieve these effects? C60 molecules are incredibly small, categorized as nanomaterials, meaning they can easily penetrate biological barriers like cell membranes. This property allows them to reach areas of the body that other molecules cannot, potentially protecting cells from damage and supporting mitochondrial function, the powerhouses of our cells. By boosting mitochondrial efficiency, C60 may enhance energy levels and overall vitality, which are crucial for maintaining a youthful appearance and strong cognitive abilities. Preliminary studies even suggest that C60 could extend lifespan, at least in animal models. However, the same properties that make C60 so potent also raise concerns. As a nanomaterial, C60 can cross barriers in the body that other substances cannot, including the blood-brain barrier and respiratory membranes. This capability, while beneficial in certain therapeutic contexts, could also pose risks. Nanoparticles like C60 can accumulate in organs such as the lungs, potentially leading to inflammation or other adverse effects. Although early studies suggest that C60 is relatively safe at low doses, the long-term impacts of chronic exposure, particularly through supplementation, are still not fully understood. Indeed, while C60 has shown promise in various studies, the scientific community remains cautious. Extensive research is needed to fully comprehend the potential risks associated with its use, particularly in human populations over extended periods. As with any emerging health trend, the excitement surrounding C60 must be tempered with rigorous science and careful consideration of the unknowns. While C60 could represent a new frontier in anti-aging, it also exemplifies the double-edged sword of nanotechnology, offering great potential alongside significant risks. Only time and further research will reveal whether C60 is truly the elixir of youth or another fleeting promise in the complex journey of human aging. For now, its story remains one of the most intriguing in modern science, a molecule as full of promise as it is of mystery.